I'm Salina, and welcome to my course, Creating Sendlogs in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I'm a Salesforce developer with a background in marketing and data analysis. My focus has been identifying and automating solutions to make marketing operations more efficient while optimizing customer journeys. With a few years of experience in the Salesforce ecosystem under my belt, I'm excited to be sharing with you both my knowledge and practical tips from my personal experience with the platform. This course is designed to get you started with creating and understanding sendlogs and to introduce you to sendlogs really, as this is a functionality there isn't that much documentation on. So I'm here to show you how powerful it can actually be and how it can enhance your data capturing. Some of the key topics we will cover include what sendlogs are and how you can use them, sendlog fields and what data they capture, and adding custom fields to sendlogs. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand when to use sendlogs and how to configure them to collect the data points that matter to your business. This is a beginner's course and we will be explaining concepts with a level of background. While you'll still be able to gain a good understanding of sendlogs without any previous Marketing Cloud experience, I would strongly advise you to familiarize yourself first with Email Studio and sending emails in Marketing Cloud, and Marketing Cloud's data model and data extensions. And if you already have this knowledge, it means that you are ready to make a start. I hope you join me on this journey to learn about Marketing Cloud data and sendlogs with Creating Sendlogs in Salesforce Marketing Cloud course at Pluralsight.